Parking spaces. This service will assist you in finding suitable parking spaces. Open your navigation, press the search icon, then select the parking icon and select parking space nearby. You can now see the nearby parking spaces. If further details are available, such as a number of available spaces, prices and opening hours, you can view them by pressing More. You can now call the displayed phone number, save the parking space, or start navigating to the selected parking. You can also search for parking spaces in your selected destination. Choose your desired destination. Then press the search icon again and select the parking icon and then parking space in your destination. Now you can see the parking spaces in the destination. You can also look for suitable parking spaces before your trip using the My Škoda app. Simply click on the Trip Planner tile. If, for example, you have an event in your calendar with a location, you can open it and see the location on the map. If you want to have a look at the possibilities for parking, you can click on Nearby and then Premium Parking. This enables you to see the 20 closest parking possibilities on the map. Now you can click on each of the points on the map to see additional information, such as distance from the place of the event, if it is currently open or closed, capacity of the parking lot, and price for parking. You can also see detailed information about eventual restrictions on the parking lot, the entire price list, opening hours, payment possibilities, features of the parking lot, and contact information. After you have selected the parking lot you want to park your car at, you can click on Show Route, after which you will see the route from the current position of the car to the selected parking lot. Finally, you can click on Send to Vehicle to send the location of the parking lot to the navigation system in the vehicle. Please note that this service is available mainly in cities with a population of over 50,000 inhabitants. An alternative for finding parking spaces in smaller cities, towns, and villages is to click on Parking to display parking possibilities with publicly available information.